This is great when you're moving things around in location based on weight demands. With an air conditioner, it actually, for some reason, the wheels popped out, so very, I guess, you know, stay within the weight limit, but now I'll be just using this for paper, moving paper around.
This little six-wheeled hand cart has worked great. I use it to put my little washing machine on. It's perfect. I got this one because the front expands out to the necessary length. They say it will haul 500 pounds. I don't know about that, but this little 50-pound machine I have is no problem at all for it.
So